Welcome back to the beautiful Savoy Theatre here in Monmouth. In part one of this video, I asked you a question. The previous production at this venue has left 2 items in this green room fridge. But what are the items? I hope if you did guess, you've got it correct. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. It is, of course it is. It's an apricot yoghurt and a banana yoghurt. What yoghurt lovers were here in this venue before me? Who could it be? Is it potentially Marcus Brickstock? Is it Andy Parsons? Is it Sean Walsh? Is it my good friend Rachel Paris? Does Rachel Paris like an apricot yoghurt? We just don't know. We don't know. Thank you very much for playing. We'll have another edition of this game in 18 months when I'm back here on tour. Have a lovely banana yoghurt, Rachel Paris. Goodbye.